Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. And if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm here to share with you all another dessert recipe. Yes guys, desserts are my favorite and it is almost Christmas time. So I thought of sharing this easy peasy dessert recipe with you all. This dessert gets prepared in almost no time and literally takes about 3 ingredients to get prepared. So if you have any guests coming over or if you have to prepare a dessert quickly and do not know what to prepare, then this one is for you. I am talking about this butterscotch ice cream pudding. Yes guys, it is so easy and any beginner can prepare it. You do not have to be a pro in kitchen to prepare this recipe. It gets prepared in no time and everyone, trust me, everyone loves it. So you really need to try this in your kitchen for yourself and also serve it to your family and guests so that you can get all of the praises from them. So if you want to know how to prepare this butterscotch ice cream pudding at home, then please keep on watching this video till the end. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using shot glasses for serving. You can use any other serveware that you like. I'm just gonna take these shot glasses and decorate them using the chocolate sauce. This one is from Hershey's. You can use anything that is available with you. Repeat the same steps with other glasses as well, and let's begin with the recipe. I'm using some vanilla crumbled cake over here and I'm dropping all of it in the glasses and then top it with some melted butterscotch ice cream. I've melted this ice cream because it becomes easier to layer it. And then again add a layer of crumbled vanilla cake. You can also add some nuts in between if you like it that way. Keep adding alternate layers of vanilla cake and butterscotch ice cream. Top it with some chopped cashews or dark choco chips. And ta-da! Your 2-minute butterscotch ice cream pudding shots are ready. Enjoy! So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. Do let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this recipe, and if you're gonna prepare it at your home, do share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for my Instagram handle would be mentioned in the description box below, and I'll also mention my Instagram handle on the screen so that you can follow me there, stay connected, and don't forget to DM me for your recreations. I'll be waiting. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.